the LG G5 is a modular smartphone, and LG isn't making accessories, it's making friends. And on the G5 you have your Friends Manager app, notified here by this cute little cat in LG's new signature lime colour for the rest of the year. You're going to see this a lot. So we open up your LG Friends Manager, and this is where you have access to all of the modules and accessories, that come with the G5. Now we've got a couple here that show how LG is going to build VR into its future range. So the first one that you can see here is 360 Cam, and it's this. Looks like, well, it doesn't look like a camera, but you squeeze two sections, pull it out, and you've got a 360 Cam, the likes of which we've seen from various other companies. This is a dual lens 13 megapixel camera that will take stills and video at 2K, and the images that you take on here and the video can be stored on a micro SD card and then transferred across to your phone. Now you could view it on your phone, but that would be so boring and not at all 2016. So LG have got this, and this is LG VR 360. Or 360 VR. Now this is an early model. Again, you've got LG's Q-Can on the front, and inside you've got a couple of lenses. Now we've tried this out, and it's not like Gear VR from Samsung. It's definitely not like Vive or Oculus Rift. Think of it more like a flashy version of cardboard. It's sort of, when you put this on, you'll see a system which comes from your phone, and instead of having side controls, you actually use your phone to navigate what you're seeing on the lenses in the screen, and that's where you'll get your 360 videos taken with your 360 Cam. It also works with YouTube 360 and Google Street View, and because it's basically a cardboard device, it works with the Cardboard app. So all of the games and all of the different applications that work with Google Cardboard will work with this. It is very, very light. It's about 100 grams, say LG, and that's considerably less than any other VR headset that we've seen so far. So we're seeing this as a handy version of cardboard that's actually got grips to put it on your head. It's like a portable screen. You can watch 2D films, you can use any visual medium that you would do using your phone just with this. LG said, great for when you're sitting on an aeroplane, and we can't disagree. However, it was a bit wobbly when we were using it, so sitting very still would probably be wise unless you want to be quite sick. These accessories are coming later in the year. There's no pricing announced yet. We're not sure of the final release date either, but this is a quick look at LG's first VR push for the coming year.